Good celebrating, my friends. Welcome to the video. Beautiful soul, beautiful souls. Thanks for tuning into my videos and welcome to my channel. My name is Owen and today I want to share with you spectacular nature and make a video with a beautiful backdrop, and I hope you enjoy. Good energies. So in this video I just want to say that raising our frequency and consciousness is all about the heart. It's not about the head. It's not about knowledge. Knowledge is combined, and wisdom for sure, definitely wisdom. And wisdom comes from life experience and tuning into our heart, having learned from our life experience also. So it's really all about the heart. It's the feeling and energy of the heart, and those emotions are of a high frequency. Whereas just simply knowing things without the heart isn't of a high frequency. Being in nature is a high frequency. I ask almost every day, regularly, not every day, for upgrades, activations or downloads, and to help raise my frequency, energy, vibration and consciousness from high energy consciousnesses like the Sun, Mother Earth, Gaia, and advanced ETs like the Arcturians and Palladians. And you can do the same, and I recommend it if you want, and just be more about humble and humility, and as in being open, not playing small because you're so big, and we all are big. So it's not like fake humility like society sometimes may teach. It's about sincere, genuine authenticity, like in the same way as children are so honest and open. That's humility. If you can be humble and admit you're great and brilliant and tremendously awesome and perfect, but we're all perfect, but we're all always learning and growing, so we're not the finished article per se. That's not what perfection means. We're perfect, like made in the image of the Creator. We are the Creator, We're creative beings, creator beings. So raising your frequency means letting go of all that's bogging you down, and congesting you and slowing you down, and the heaviness of fake foods and sometimes complex, like loads of ingredients food, unnatural lifestyle, unnatural food, and thoughts of a lower frequency as well, things related to what you could call our ego and separation consciousness. So when we delve more into our heart, we're also delving more into unity consciousness, which means we don't try and beat others or outdo them. Even on the spiritual path, we're not trying to outdo others who are less evolved and leave them behind with a cold-hearted act. We're including them and inviting them and welcoming them in our hearts to also evolve and to heal and grow, as we do too. It's a walking hand-in-hand process, so to speak. It's a hand-in-hand metaphorical concept, really. There's a little bird. How divine. So everyone, I hope this video helps. Be sure to give a like, share, comment and subscribe, or any combination of them, depending on your privacy or public type of preferences. Love to hear from you, or at least like, share and subscribe. Really appreciate it to share the message to help others. And if you want to befriend me on any social media, check out my links below. And I also do coaching, and I have a herb store as well, and you can get discounts there on the links below and my social medias. And if you want to connect or collaborate, I'd also love to do that too with like-hearted spirits. Such a beautiful little birdie. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's just relaxing there, floating on its own. I just love that. It's just so beautiful. Hope you have a nice day, my friends. Lots of love to you, and as always, have a truly nice now moment always, because that's what it always is. And it also kind of means your day to a certain extent too. But yeah, I'll talk to you again another time. Lots of love. Thanks for watching and for all of your kindness. in all of my videos they've ever left me.